August 17th. Nature laughs. I come. I come. You need me. Live much out here. My sunshine, my glorious air, my presence, my teaching. Would they not make holiday anywhere for you? Sunshine helps to make glad the heart of man. It is the laughter of nature. Live much outside. My medicines are sun and air, trust and faith. Trust is the Spirit sun, your being enwrapped by the divine Spirit. Faith is the soul's breathing in of the divine Spirit. Mind, soul, and body need helping. Welcome my treatment for you both. Draw near to me. Nature is often my nurse for tired souls and weary bodies. Let her have her way with you both.